Hi, I'm JR, and today we need to talk about one of the most frustrating problems in modern car audio, and the little black box that completely solves it. Let's set the scene. You just bought a newer car. You love the interior. You love the massive factory touchscreen on the dash. There's just one problem. The factory stereo sounds completely gutless. You want to add an amplifier and a subwoofer to finally get some real bass, but you can't just rip out the factory radio. It controls your climate, your vehicle settings, your backup camera, and it has to stay. So, how do you get a music signal from a factory radio that does not have RCA outputs and send it to your brand new aftermarket amplifier? You use a line output converter. Many newer cars require a digital integration interface, but if yours does not, the AudioControl LC2i PRO may be the best solution. You see, modern factory stereos have a dirty little secret, and this is one of the best tools available to beat it. If you've ever researched adding a subwoofer to a factory stereo, you've probably heard of the original AudioControl LC2i. It is an absolute legend in the car audio world. But cars have gotten a lot more complicated over the last few years. So a few years ago, AudioControl stepped up and created the LC2i PRO. Let's talk about why this is an absolute must-have, starting with that dirty little secret I mentioned earlier. It's called bass rolloff. See, car manufacturers know that the factory speakers they put in your doors are usually made of cheap paper. If you send them too much bass at high volumes, they will blow out. So to prevent blown speakers and warranty claims, the factory radio is actually programmed to automatically dial back the lower bass frequencies as you turn the volume knob up. If you use a cheap $20 passive line output converter, it just takes whatever signal the factory radio is putting out and sends it directly to your new amplifier. That means as you turn your music up, your brand new expensive subwoofer is actually going to get less and less bass from the factory system. And that is incredibly frustrating. But the LC2i PRO is an active line output converter with a patented technology called AccuBASS. AccuBASS is basically magic. You play music, turn up the factory volume, and set the AccuBASS threshold on the LC2i PRO. The exact moment the factory radio tries to lower the bass, AccuBASS kicks in and automatically restores those missing low frequencies. It puts the bass right back where it belongs, giving your amplifier all the bass from your song, no matter how loud you turn the volume knob. But fixing the sound is only half the battle. Installing gear in modern cars is tricky, and the LC2i PRO is packed with features designed specifically to save you from an installation nightmare. Here's a huge install tip, and arguably the best reason to get the Pro version of this converter. A lot of late model vehicles, especially Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, and Fiat, have smart factory amplifiers. When you turn the radio on, the factory amp sends a quick pulse down the speaker wires to see if a speaker is physically connected. It's looking for electrical resistance or load. If it doesn't feel the exact right amount of resistance, it assumes the speaker is broken, and it completely shuts off the audio output to that channel. If you try to wire a standard line output converter into those cars, you'll get absolutely no sound. In the past, you'd have to buy hot, bulky ceramic resistors and wire them into your vehicle's harness just to trick the factory radio. It was a mess. The LC2i PRO has a built-in load selection switch right on top of the unit. You can select between 20 ohms, 60 ohms, or 20,000 ohms. You literally just slide the switch to match what your specific vehicle needs. The factory radio sees the resistance it's looking for, and your music plays perfectly. No extra parts, no messy wiring. The LC2i PRO is an active LOC, so you will have to connect it to power and ground. This is usually done with a wiring kit for low current devices. The power and ground can be daisy-chained off of the same power and ground wires you run from your car's battery to your amplifier. Let's talk about turning your amplifier on. In older cars, you could easily find a 12-volt accessory wire behind the dash to use as your remote turn-on lead. In modern cars, everything is controlled by data networks. Finding a traditional 12-volt switched wire can take hours of probing with a multimeter. AudioControl solved this with a feature called GTO, or Great Turn On. You don't need to hunt for a remote wire. When the LC2i PRO senses a DC offset on the factory speaker wires, which basically means it senses the radio waking up, it automatically turns itself on. Even better, it then sends a strong 12-volt signal out through its own remote output terminal to turn your aftermarket amplifier on. There are two sets of preamp outputs on the LC2i PRO. The main output sends out full range signal, and the bass output sends out just bass. They each have their own level control. The low-pass crossover point on the bass output is 1000 Hz, so you'll want to use the low-pass filter on your sub-amp or a separate crossover to dial in just the right crossover point for your particular sub. Now, because it's an active converter, it can handle up to 400 watts of input signal from a premium factory amp, and it outputs a massive 9.5 volts of clean preamp signal through the RCA outputs. That high voltage means you can turn the gain down on your aftermarket amp, which gives you a higher signal-to-noise ratio and incredibly clean, distortion-free sound. If you do run into any engine whine or grounding noise, which can happen when you mix factory electrical systems with aftermarket amps, the LC2i PRO has a built-in ground isolation switch. Instead of tearing your car apart to check your ground wires, you just flip the switch to separate the audio ground from the power ground, and the noise completely disappears. And finally, we have to talk about the ACR1 dash remote. With the older standard LC2i, you had to buy the bass knob separately. With the LC2i PRO, it is included right in the box. You run the wire and mount this little knob under your dash or your center console, and it lets you adjust the bass level of your subwoofer on the fly. Some songs have way too much bass, some songs don't have enough. This knob puts you in total control from the driver's seat without having to dig into your radio's menus. So, to sum it all up, if you are keeping your factory radio, you might need a line output converter. If you want to actually hear the bass you paid for, you need AccuBASS. And if you want an installation that doesn't involve dead audio channels, tracing data wires, and hours of frustration, you need the AudioControl LC2i PRO. It might just be a little black box that you hide under a seat or in your trunk, but it is absolutely the heart of a great-sounding modern car audio system. If you're ready to add some serious bass to your factory system, or you just want to make sure the LC2i PRO is indeed the right fit for your specific vehicle, well, that's what we do here at Crutchfield. Reach out, let our experts help you build the perfect setup. And thanks for watching.